Hey guys, I'm working today on my Moroccan jewelry and I create some easy links because you guys always ask for more links, and today will be a video about links. You will need some crystals and thick wire. I want to show how this look like. They will need to go in a liver of silver. But let's pick up some wires and let's make those beautiful components for the chain. So I will use my thick wire. You can use 18 gauge, you can use 16 gauge, depends on your design. And we will need very little amount, we don't need that much for those links. The links that before I put the little loops here, it will be 2 3/4 inch. And we will need also crystals. Just for all of them, we will need some crystals in the little, this swirl that we will make. I have purple. I use 4 of them. Depends on the size. These are pretty big. I don't know if they will fit exactly like the other black one. Let me see. I want to just put one more. We do the standard thing, push the wire on the side like this. That's for the beginners. Other wire wrappers, they know how to do it. And that's how I do. 1, 2, and I usually cut. And then push the wire so it will not scratch anything. Right there. And we're done. Okay, so I have 4 of them. I measured to my first one, so I know my I need that like loop right here, and I use my round nose pliers. So that's what we need. Let me see. So that's the original one. That's the one we made. I will cut the axes because I wanted them to be exactly the same. It's very hard to perfectly do it. And now my these cutters are squeaky. When we have several of them, how many links you needed for your design, we will open up that little created loop so we can just shovel our crystals in it. 1, 2, let's see if it will fit 4 of them. The larger size. Yes, that looks good too. Okay, so then I will just close it. Pressed very nicely. So you can see it's like perfectly. Oh, no escape from there. And now what I did, if you look at my links, I hammer this part. Also, I hammer this part. Let me hammer without the camera. This is pretty loud. So I will take on my block. We'll take my hammer and quickly hammer and come back to you again. So I hammer. You can see I hammered this part. Left a little bit, and then hammer this one. Same with other end. And I will just make nice both ends. Perfect. And I will hammer again from both sides, this and this. And here we are having our first link. With the links like this, because I added to my the smaller one I made for this necklace, it's just like sort of like Moroccan style, I think. And this I already shared. Also, you can make this piece, and then you can attach it to your frame, and it can create beautiful effect. You can see the hammered parts here. I like it. It's after I put it in a liver of sulfur, it will be really, really beautiful. So I think, guys, it's very easy link. It's simple, but I hope you're gonna like it. And you can use any crystals you want. You can use like I did, because in this piece it's a small one, but I also use a larger one, and it looks good too. I think even simple earring like this, maybe not too long, maybe to make a few loops and just end it with some beautiful bead. It could be also option for making matching jewelry. Hope you like it. I know it's easy and simple and very short tutorial today. Leave me a comment below. We'll talk to you next Tuesday. Maybe I can even surprise with more video this week. We'll see. Thank you for watching and see you on Tuesday. Bye.